We're going to microwave this
Oh, you're recording.
a giant marshmallow.
I think it's gonna get softball size.
What's it gonna do?
It's gonna blow up.
How long do I do it for?
Explode, but it's gonna get.
I can see your reflection, Wolfman.
Am I scary?
Oh, it's growing. I can see from here it's growing.
Oh my god. Softball size. Oh my god.
That's it. Michelin Man.
Holy shit.
Skyler.
No, Mom, this totally is.
I don't think it's gonna get any bigger.
Mm-mm. It's dying.
Want to see something funny?
Mm-mm.
You're gonna have microwaves in your brain. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. You're supposed to wait 30 seconds.
No, you're not.
Yes, you are.
My souffle!
What did it
What do you
do?
do?
It just got big.
This is how they make fake breasts. Mom, where's the nipples?